Very good morning. The top news today is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The news being covered is a race against time for two astronauts stranded in space. In a tense and increasingly precarious situation that underscores the unpredictable nature of space exploration, NASA astronauts Barry Wilmore and Sunita Williams, who were launched aboard Boeing CST-100 Starliner spacecraft in June 2024, find themselves stranded in space, leading to an extended stay aboard the International Space Station. Initially scheduled for an 8 days long mission, they have been in space for more than 2 months now, with their return date still uncertain due to critical technical issues with their Starliner spacecraft. This incident highlights the fine line between innovation and risk in space exploration, and more importantly, in contingency planning and safety of human life and well-being when on such space missions. Wilmore 61 and Williams 58, both of whom are retired US Navy captains and carry significant past experience in long-duration space flights, were part of Boeing's Crew Flight Test, a mission intended to validate Starliner's capability as a transport vessel for astronauts. However, the spacecraft encountered significant technical failures, including helium leaks and thruster malfunctions during its journey to the space station. These issues have left NASA and Boeing grappling with complex engineering challenges. Rescue options are being explored, including sending an unmanned spacecraft to dock with the stranded cruise vehicle, though this would require very precise calculations and considerable time. In a fresh development, a new plan announced few days back says the astronauts are now expected to remain on the space station potentially till February 2025, when they might return along with the SpaceX Crew 9 Dragon capsule mission, as is being thought over and planned. Meanwhile, the clock is ticking. The astronauts' training in dealing with emergencies has allowed them to stabilize their situation temporarily, but the risks are still very high. The Starliner's issues are not trivial, but complex technical challenges. Helium leak can affect the pressurization of spacecraft systems, crucial for both crew safety and operational stability. Additionally, the thruster malfunctions impact the spacecraft's ability to maneuver and control its trajectory, a critical function for safe re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. NASA and Boeing engineers are rigorously analyzing these problems, balancing the need for safety with the urgency of returning the astronauts back to Earth. Unfortunately, the Starliner program, already $1.5 billion over budget for Boeing and years behind schedule, has faced numerous challenges in its development. Despite these setbacks, the astronauts have continued their work aboard the station, contributing to ongoing scientific research and maintaining the station's operations. NASA has stated that there is no immediate danger to the astronauts as the space station provides a safe environment with ample supplies for the astronauts. The Starliner remains docked with the space station and could still serve as an emergency return vehicle if absolutely necessary. However, NASA is prioritizing a careful and thorough review before any decisions are made on their return. The extended stay in space poses unique challenges for the astronauts, including potential health risks associated with prolonged exposure to microgravity. NASA is closely monitoring their health and their well-being, ensuring they receive the necessary support and resources during their extended mission. This incident underscores the inherent risk of space exploration, particularly in the development of new technology. While delays and technical setbacks are not uncommon in the aerospace industry, the extended duration of this mission highlights the complexities involved in human space flights. The situation also brings into focus the importance of having multiple reliable spacecraft to ensure continuous and safe human presence in space, a goal NASA aims to achieve by maintaining both the Starliner and SpaceX Crew Dragon programs. As the world watches, Wilmore and Williams' prolonged stay in space serves as a powerful reminder that humanity is advancing towards the stars. The journey is fraught with challenges that demand resilience, ingenuity, and unwavering commitment. NASA and Boeing's response to this situation will be critical in shaping the future of crewed space missions. These two astronauts, with their exemplary courage and endurance to face such a situation of uncertainty, and their families' emotional anxiety and concern, should not be underestimated and must be supported by everyone at this time. The involved engineers' relentless efforts exemplify the spirit needed to tide over the complexities involved and bring back home the astronauts safely and soon. That would be validating the determination needed to conquer the final frontier. This incident highlights the importance of international collaboration also, particularly in such situations involving human recovery. Established space agencies like the European Space Agency and the Russian Space Agency can voluntarily come forward, as they may have already also, to offer assistance and cooperation. As more and more countries are looking at space exploration, such close collaboration shall always remain a vital need for future missions. Unfortunate incidents of past, like Apollo 13 and also involving Soyuz missions, must remain in the planning process of every mission by every country. The incident also raises questions about the current state of international collaboration in space exploration, as global efforts are now critical to the success of the rescue operation being planned for the stranded astronauts. It is also important for general public to remain aware of such programs so that its opinion can drive adequate investments in space technology where human lives shall be at stake. As we look to the future of space exploration, the resilience and adaptability demonstrated by astronauts Wilmore and Williams inspire us all. Their experience underscores the critical need for innovation, collaboration, and unwavering commitment to safety in the pursuit of our cosmic ambitions. Let this incident be a catalyst for continued advancement in space technology, ensuring that the challenges faced today pave the way for safer and more reliable missions of tomorrow. In the vast silence of space, where every moment is a test of human endurance and technology, we are reminded that the path to the stars is as treacherous as it is magnificent. Let this challenge fuel our determination to push boundaries and secure the future of space exploration, for there is no frontier without risk. As we watch the world unite in the effort to rescue these astronauts, let this serve as a reminder of our shared humanity and the need for continued collaboration in the face of adversity. The lessons learned from this mission will shape the future of space exploration and ensure that we are better prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. Good luck. Thank you very much and God bless.